going on YouTube? Salt Life Kid here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be going dirt biking with my sister, but she's going to be on her new four-wheeler. Yes, she got a new one. She used to have a blue one, now it's red because her blue one stopped working. So for her birthday, she got a new one, and it's red. We're going to be riding around. It's going to be awesome. So it's going to be so much fun. Let's just get into the video. go in the pond? Go in the pond? Go down, I'll be right down. What about you? You go what too? You go in the pond? You have a kickstart, dang.
No, I don't.
Yeah, it's right here.
That's a kickstart?
Yeah.
You try it. Try the kickstart. Try the kickstart.
Thing's nice.
Can you try the kickstart?
Guys, I am going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. It was so much fun to make. Me and my sister had an awesome time riding around. She loves her new four-wheeler. It was awesome. I'm still getting used to getting back on the bike after a long winter. But as summer gets closer, I'm going to be riding it a lot more. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.